Welcome to another tutorial of the contact center of 3iMedia. In this video we like to demonstrate how to set up your first queue in a few steps. To do so, start the Swixware administration and assign all phone numbers that you like to use for your queues to the user named hotlines. This user has been automatically created during setup. Create any groups that should be used for call delivery. Of course, already existing groups can be used as well. Access now the start page of the contact center. Use the plus button to add a new queue. Give the queue a unique and meaningful name. Now assign one of the previously assigned numbers to the queue. For call delivery you need a valid delivery destination. In our case we choose longest in activity as delivery method. Thus calls are always delivered to those employees of a group who have not received a call the longest. Now choose one of the previously created groups to which the call should be delivered and save the settings. The queue is now successfully created and accessible under the assigned number. End the configuration by clicking the X in the upper right corner. Start now the Swixit client at a workstation, which should receive calls from a queue. Switch to one of the included 3iMedia skins for this user. In our example we choose the skin 3iMedia call Q2017 right, bottom wide.cab. All groups that are of interest to the user are now displayed on the right side. These groups can be folded and unfolded on demand. The lower part shows the queued calls. By calling the previously assigned number, you will see the call in the list of queued calls and all employees assigned to the group will receive this call according to the delivery method previously set. Of course, the system offers much more options for configuration and customization. Find out more in the upcoming videos. If you're interested in further information, please visit our website 3imedia.de or contact us by email at sales@3imedia.de. Thanks for watching.